welcome back guys to this video. In this video we are going to learn HTML5. This would be introductory video of the HTML5. So before moving further, I would like to introduce myself. So I am a full stack web developer having 3 years of experience in IT industry. Currently I am working in a full stack developer role and know the Next.js, React.js and more stack technologies. I I am aligned with the future technologies like whatever the latest technology come, I immediately learn it, and this is my main strength. So by don't wasting any time, let's start and let's try to learn what is HTML5. This is my responsibility to teach you that, and it's your responsibility also that from whom you are learning. So by don't wasting any time, just start. So what is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. The HTML is a hypertext markup language. It means that it is not any programming language. If you learn in your school or in your college, like C++, JavaScript, okay, and Java, these all are programming language because we can create variables, functions, classes, loops, all kind of things. But in the HTML, it is not a programming language. It is a hypertext markup language that particularly based on the tags. So why HTML used? Why? So HTML is a standard markup language for creating web pages. So whenever you visit any website, there you see a web page. So basically, website consists of a multiple web pages. Similarly, in a real world, like a book is what is a book? Book is a multiple of pages that makes a books. Okay. Similarly, website is basically a collection of web pages. That web pages, how web pages are created? Here question is comes out how web pages are created. So HTML is play a role to create a web pages there. Yes, without HTML, nobody can create any web page or any website. So HTML describes the structure of a web page. So let's start. Like if I give you a real world example in this presentation, you can see that there is a two type of images. One is a construction building where a man is creating a building. On the other side, there is a structure of a car. So, are you questioning that? Why are we are learning HTML5? Why you are showing us these images? I am going to help. These images will going to understand and clear your doubts regarding HTML5. So basically, HTML5 uh, provides the structure of the web page. Like in the building, you can see that this is a structure. This is not the entire building like glasses, paint, not the thing, but the fundamental things. This is the structure of the building. And same on the other side, this is a car. This is a drawing of the car. There is not have any color, not have any functionality on the car, but this is the structure of the car. First of all, we create the structure of anything, whether it is a building, whether it is a car, or any other example. First of all, we create the structure of the anything. That similarly in the website, first of all, we create the structure of the web pages. How the text should be there, what type of images should be there, and all of kind that. In the upcoming slide, you will learn more about this. So basically, what is HTML? HTML consists of a series of elements. Elements is nothing more than a tags. HTML elements tell the browser how to display the content. Okay, so in the next slide, you will see a code there. Here is the code of HTML5. So basically in the code, the first line is dog type HTML. What is tells the browser that we are using the HTML5 version. So currently any whatever the website you visit on the browser, on your mobile phone or on your desktop, all the websites are using HTML version 5. Okay, this is the doc type HTML which tells the browser that we are using the HTML version 5. So then browser accordingly work upon the HTML structure. So below this there is a tag called HTML tag. This is a starting tag, and similarly there is a closing tag HTML. All the other tags are comes inside this tag HTML tag. And after we have a head tag, there is always there will would be a opening tag and closing tag corresponding. Okay, so you can see that head is a opening tag and head is a another head is a closing tag, and similarly title is opening tag and title is a closing tag, which tells the browser that we are using this tag and this is the starting point of this tag and this is the ending point of this tag. And between the page title is the text which we can write anything inside this tag. Okay, and this is the h1 tag, p tag. In the upcoming videos you will be more clear about this. Okay, so thank you guys for listening this video, but before ending the video I would like you to show the real world example of the website. Okay, here you can see that this website I made when I was in the first semester of my BCA, and this website is about a college library project. Okay, so you can see that this is the some text appears here, this there on the this is the some images appear on the right hand side, and on the top there is some buttons, and on below this is some text, images and color. You can ignore the color is another language we can learn more about in this course. Okay, this is this basically website. When I would like you to show the code. Whenever you visit an website you just press Control U and this and tada, and code in front of you. And here you can see that the first line is a dog tab HTML, which tells the browser that this particular website using the HTML5 version 5, and the first tag is HTML, and the top and the bottom there is another HTML tag called a closing tag. Sorry. So for now, this is the introductory video of the HTML version. HTML video. In the upcoming video, I will I will bring a video where you will understand more about the HTML structure. Thank you guys. If you find helpful this video, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys.